Welcome to ProKitchen Software online video tutorial series. In this video, we will explore and create reports. We will locate and identify the report tools, create a manufacturer report, create a customer report, create a multi-queue report, create a combined report, and create a quick report. Creating reports are an important part of the design process, either to provide a line item list to the manufacturer, create quotes for the customer, or to archive previously installed designs. ProKitchen Software offers you the ability to create each of these documents quickly and easily. To locate your report options, navigate to the top of the ProKitchen window. Locate the Reports tab and left-click to open the ribbon. Contained here are all the report options: Manufacturer Report, Customer Report, Multi-Queue, Combined Report, and Quick Report. Let's explore and create each of these available reports. Prior to creating a report, ensure that you have placed all items on plan and in the bill of materials. Once all plan and non-plan items are in place, you may now create an accurate report or quote. Manufacturer Report will provide a complete report for you to send to the manufacturer that will contain all the items and global specifications applied. When you left-click to select Manufacturer Report, a dialog box will launch. Here, you will need to enter the general information for this design, including the job name, PO number, order number, any applicable promo codes with the cabinet manufacturer, type of order, order date, and report date, and any additional information in the Special Instructions box. In the Dealer Info tab, you may view and edit the dealer information. In the Shipment Info tab, you may view and edit the shipping information, and select to ship to either the dealer, the customer, or to another location by left-clicking in the radio button to the left of the appropriate selection. In the Warranty Info tab, view and edit the information of the party who will be receiving the warranty for the products. In Additional Report Data, view and edit the dealer multiplier, tax rate, and any applicable tariff charges. In the Shipment Charge tab, left-click the drop-down to the right of How to Ship and select any of the available options, and left-click the box to apply either the $per pound or $by cubic foot option, and enter the appropriate shipping fee. If any tax is applicable to the shipping rate, left-click in the box to the left of the taxed option. Once you have finished entering the required information, left-click OK to create the report, which will be generated on the manufacturer customized form that matches the manufacturer's paper order form. A manufacturer report will be generated for each catalog used in the design. If there are multiple catalogs utilized, you will create individual reports for each. These reports will take into account all the details, including finishes, door and drawer styles, wood species, and all other options offered by the manufacturer with the corresponding pricing. Customer Report will create the quote for your customer. In the dialog box, choose to include the global specifications in your report or not by left-clicking the box to select or deselect this option. Then, set up the sales tax, tariff charges, design, shipping, and installation fees, discounts, manufacturer multipliers, markup rates, and additional cost multipliers for each catalog utilized within your design. In the Logo tab, you will also be able to add or change a logo with the Browse button, and create a page header and footer if you choose to do so. In the Pricing tab, you will be able to view the line item pricing for each catalog used in the design. At the top of this page, you may also choose whether to display the line item pricing on your customer report or not by left-clicking the box to select or deselect this option. In the Projects Settings tab, at the top, you may choose to show or not show your countertop elements, and choose to report in compact mode, which will condense all the information into as few pages as possible, or choose to not report in compact mode, which will create the report in a page-by-page view of the quote, as well as view and edit the dealer and customer information entered within the design settings, and view and edit the design notes. Once complete, left-click OK to create the quote. This quote will contain all the information entered in the customer report dialog box, a quote for each catalog used in the design, and, on the last page, a quote that totals all costs for all catalogs used. Then, once again, either choosing to save this as a PDF to your computer or print to your desired print source. MultiQ allows you to quote this design in up to 5 different price points within the same manufacturer catalog. Make sure to select how many quotes you will be creating. Then set up your sales tax, tariff charges, design fees, shipping fees, etc. for each catalog in the design. Again, you may create a page header or footer and add or change the logo. View and edit your project settings. Then, set up the differing global specifications for up to 5 different quotes within the same manufacturer. Make sure that you repeat this process for any additional catalogs used in the design by navigating back to the Catalog Settings tab and selecting the additional catalog or catalogs, as whichever of the catalogs selected here will be the cabinetry affected by the varying global specification adjustments. When you left-click OK, ProKitchen will create a single quote document that will provide a quote for each set of global specifications in such a way that will allow you and your customer to compare the costs of the varying cabinetry options selected. The global specifications will be listed separately, outlining the options selected for each quote created. A line item list will be generated with each quote option pricing provided, as well as a per catalog and total quote for each specified set of global options. Combined Report is used to create a single quote or report document from several reports or room quotes. This is an excellent tool to bring all the separate room quotes into a single document for your customer. Before utilizing this option, create all the necessary manufacturer or customer reports for each separate design file. Once all documents have been created, left-click the Combined Report icon. In the dialog box, add a file or files from your computer by left-clicking on the Add File icon. This will launch an additional dialog box containing all your computer files. Locate your desired file or files. Left-click on the file to highlight it in blue. If selecting multiple files simultaneously, press and hold the Control or Command key on your keyboard and left-click each of the desired files. Then left-click Open. Once files have been added to the dialog box, you may remove a file, rearrange a file up or down on the list, and preview the report. Once satisfied, Then left-click OK to create and save or print the report. Quick Report is great for archiving all the information of a design once it has been installed, or to generate an all-inclusive report for your customer on the fly. This report option will grab all the information for this design, including each set of global options used within the design, line item and quote pricing, all plan and elevation views, as well as each 3D view of the room. Before selecting this option, in the Reports ribbon, adjust design, shipping, and installation fees, tax rate, any applicable discounts, and manufacturer multiplier per catalog utilized within the design. Then left-click the Quick Report icon. ProKitchen software will then begin creating the Quick Report. This process may take a couple of minutes to create while it grabs and lays out all the design information. Once this process is complete, your PDF viewer will appear with the created report where you will be able to view and print this document. Quick Reports may also be run in the background without launching ProKitchen. To do this, open your file browser on your computer. Navigate to your ProKitchen folder and left-click to select the design or several design files. Next, right-click on the selected file or files and select Run Quick Report. This will create the reports without opening the ProKitchen software while you are doing other tasks. This is especially helpful when you need to create reports for old or previously installed designs for multiple design files at once. There is an additional report called Dynamic Design Showcase. This is a completely customizable report that will create a template for presentation purposes, which will allow you to create stunning presentations of your designs for your customers in a fraction of the time. The Dynamic Design Showcase will be covered in a separate video tutorial. With ProKitchen Software's report tools, creating report and quote documents has never been so easy. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. For more videos like this, please visit www.prokitchensoftware.com.